In this video, we're going to show you how to completely remove an app and its leftover code from Shopify. Installing apps is a great way to add new features to your Shopify store. However, when an app is no longer needed, simply uninstalling it may not always remove everything it added to your store. Some apps modify your theme by adding snippets, app blocks, scripts, or other code. If these leftover files remain after uninstalling the app, they can sometimes affect your store's appearance, performance, or compatibility with other apps. The good news is that you can safely remove an app and check for any leftover code to keep your store clean and running smoothly. By the end of this video, you'll know how to uninstall a Shopify app, inspect your theme for leftover changes, and verify that your store continues to function correctly. So, let's get started. The first method is to uninstall the app from your Shopify admin. Log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left navigation menu, click Apps. Locate the app you want to remove, open its Options menu, and choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts to confirm the removal. Once the app has been removed, test your storefront to make sure everything is still working as expected. Next, check your theme for any leftover code. Go to Online Store, then Themes. Open the Edit Code option for your active theme. Review recently modified theme files for snippets, scripts, or sections that were added by the app. Some apps include installation comments or unique file names that make these additions easier to identify. If the app's documentation includes uninstall instructions, follow them carefully to remove any remaining theme changes. After removing leftover code, save your changes and preview your storefront. Check important pages such as the home page, product pages, collection pages, cart, and checkout to confirm that everything displays and functions correctly. Another helpful practice is to duplicate your theme before making manual code changes. This gives you a backup that you can restore if something doesn't work as expected. It's also a good idea to remove code that you can confidently identify as belonging to the uninstalled app. If you're unsure about a particular snippet, review the app's documentation before deleting it. In most situations, these steps are enough to completely remove an app and clean up any leftover theme modifications. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, uninstall the app from the Shopify admin. Second, inspect your theme for any leftover snippets or scripts added by the app. And third, test your storefront after cleanup to ensure everything continues to work properly. Remember that uninstalling an app and cleaning up unused code can help keep your Shopify store organized, compatible, and easier to maintain. Making a theme backup before editing code is also a simple precaution that can save time if you ever need to restore your previous setup. And that's how to completely remove an app and its leftover code from Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify feature you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.